Good morning, everybody. It is 9:03. Ben woke up. I don't even know what time he woke up, but I woke up right before 8 o'clock, and Miss Charlotte woke up right before 8 o'clock. She slept all night long. So yeah, I woke up, got in the world, lost in the world of TikTok. I don't know why. There's so much things in there that pop up, like especially like cricket stuff that I've learned. But I want to show you guys something. So this is called a squeegee or squeezy or something like that. I got this on Amazon, and what I actually do, this is like a medium-sized one or a small one, I can't remember, but I put yogurt in here for Miss Charlotte, and I try to get the yogurt that does not have like the chunks of food in it because it gets stuck, but there's like this little red little thing in here that prevents it from like spilling, and she just loves it. So I actually just bought like a tub of yogurt, because I mean, squeezables are nice, but I feel like you don't get as much, because I could take about 3 of those to fill this. A cup of yogurt fills about maybe 3/4 or a half of it. Charlotte, you want this? And she just loves this thing, and I've never had to worry about making a mess because she just likes to walk around. Here you go. She likes to just walk around, you know, holding it and everything, and she just loves it. So I'm trying to get, you know, yogurt in her system, which she likes. Yeah, but I got some bananas that are starting to rot. So today I'm gonna make some banana bread. I should probably make some right now so I can have it cool down for later today. But yeah, one of you guys were asking me if I'm selling other things other than, you know, cups and everything on my Etsy page. Yes, I am. What I am thinking of selling is...
Can you show the camera in the ceiling?
Yeah, I will. Hold on, honey. What I'm thinking of selling is stuff... Don't mind my fireplace. I gotta put the movies away. But I'm gonna sell stuff like this. Like, this is a happy birthday sign. I was thinking of doing like a fall sign, or I was thinking of doing... So you guys, I had to check something because Ben doesn't have pants on and he keeps coming into my videos. But what I was saying is I was going to do, like, you know, some fall signs or Thanksgiving, Halloween stuff. I'm going to start making stuff like that. You never know. But yeah, Miss Charlotte's drinking her milk. I used to always have sippy cups, and I recently got rid of the bottles maybe about a month and a half ago. I just gave them away. I just said if anybody wants them, along with her baby food. I found the baby food. Sorry, Ben's walking right behind me. And see how clean this is, you guys? It's clean. And so I got rid of her bottles, and I have all these sippy cups that I've, like, you know, gathered. And she doesn't do very good with sippy cups, especially with milk. So I got her these other cups at Walmart. The only thing I don't like about these is they do, you know, if she tips it upside down, it spills. Or the other day she was shaking it out. But she does do a good job drinking her milk with that. So yeah. Oh, Ben wants to show you guys the ceiling. Ben, what are you doing?
I'm doing Halloween.
So we have this projector thing.
Let me show you all of them.
We have this projector thing I got a couple years ago. I got it like dirt cheap. But he's been plugging it in the house, and then it just rotates with different seasons. So right now we have Halloween. He did have the birthday stuff on, and we had Christmas last night. Charlotte just loves it. So yeah. Oh, and you guys, I'm almost done with this cup. I'm so excited. Almost done. I'm gonna finish this one today. This is just an acrylic plastic cup. I'm actually doing a video for this, which is gonna be short and sweet. The one cup I do want to work on is going to be a pain in the butt, which I think I'm gonna start doing the video for it. The video just, you know, I just got to do an introduction for it, which I have done the main introduction. I just need to start working on it, and that cup's gonna take the longest, and if I ever sell that cup, it'll probably be over $100 because it's very time consuming. Oh, and child number 3 is with me. So yeah, I got all 3 children with me. So I will catch you guys back in a little bit. I'm gonna make some banana bread, have some breakfast, and get going for the day. I just got off the phone with Graham. I think it's like 1 o'clock. I don't even know what time is it. It's exactly 1 o'clock. Look at that. So Charlotte is taking a nap. She should probably be waking up any minute now. I sat down, I started watching the kissing booth again, like the second one. Just found out, you guys, there's gonna be a 3rd one. I'm so excited. I want to say the kissing booth is probably by far my favorite Netflix movie. I love it, and I think the second one was just as good. if you guys did not know, if you guys watched the kissing booth, Elle and Noah, so it's Joey and Jacob, they actually dated in real life, but they did break up, I think, last year. They no longer follow each other on Instagram, so it's like I wanted to know like how awkward it was for them to be in this movie together, but it seemed like they do okay, but I know it's just acting. But yeah, so I just found out this morning that there's going to be a third one. Hopefully we don't have to wait 2 years to watch it, because these kids are growing up, and it's like, okay, they're supposed to be playing like a senior in high school, freshman in college, and it's like they're starting to be up in their mid-20s. So hopefully they can, you know,
Mom, what are my teeth?
maybe they even surprise us and even film the third one.
Mom?
No idea. So, don't do that, honey. So, I just talked to our neighbor. She works at the school. She said today we're supposed to find out what's going on with the school. I asked about school pictures and registration. Ben, here's his electronic or his battery-operated toothbrush. Can you not make a mess, please? Please? Can you shut that off? You're dripping everywhere on the table. So, that's what's going on. I just cut out all 5 of the, I'm making this shirt right now for some people. I cut out all 5 of them. That took like an hour and a half just for them to all cut out. And then I gotta weed them, which takes even longer, and then I gotta figure all that stuff out. So that's what I'm working on for the next hour or so.
Mom,
I'm just gonna weed it out.
I want YouTube.
Not right now. I'm just gonna weed it out while I'm just sitting here. I'm gonna have some ice cream right now. I need a break. And then I'm gonna get back to work. Okay, you guys, so it is 3:12. I am starting to make lists of everything, like all detailed stuff, like how much everything costs. Sorry, Ben keeps hitting my tripod. I'm just figuring out all the little details and everything, so I have everything to a T. I know, honey. Be careful, honey. So that's what I've been doing on the stuff that I've made or stuff that I'm gonna make. I'm trying to figure out everything, you guys. Like, it's crazy, but I'm getting it done. And then I didn't know, but we just got a package. These are my care cards. So I actually have a care card of how to wash the shirt. And then I have a care card for how to take care of the cups. Hold on, Benny. Hold on. Hang on. Darla is just all about, you know, climbing on chairs lately. And now I'm completely out of focus. Look at that. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so that is what I just got in the mail. Hold on, Charlotte. She keeps crawling on my chair, and then she wants to get my chapstick. She loves chewing on chapstick. You are a thinker. Let me get you dressed. I'm going to get her dressed. We're going to go outside. I'm going to take pictures of some cups and get things ready. Good evening, you guys. It's like 9:05, 9:09. I don't know what time it is. Just put Charlotte to bed. I've been trying to put her down to bed at like 9 o'clock on the dot. I feel like when she goes to bed at 9, she sleeps a whole lot better. This is day 2, where she has skipped her second nap, so she might be at that age where she doesn't need 2 naps now. I can't remember what age Ben was when that started happening, which is fine. But the kids made a mess today, and then Ben said, "Mom, I'm gonna clean up my mess." And I says, "Very good." And he did the best he could. I give him props on that, because the way this was, it was a disaster. But I made dinner for the kids. I started weeding out this shirt. I have 2 of them that I've done so far. I just can't keep constantly doing it, especially with kids around and crying and all that stuff. But I'm gonna probably work on that a little bit now. Graham's not gonna get home till 10. I'm gonna have this video uploaded hopefully by 10. I'm gonna finish watching or listening to the Kissing Booth 2 while I am weeding the thing out. I still have to do my cup, which I might work on that a little bit too. But I feel like I didn't get very much stuff done, but I got the 2 main things done, you guys. I got my pictures taken, and I got my prices starting figured out and all that stuff. I got my cards getting in the mail, got my everything's happening. I'm thinking of maybe starting my Etsy thing on August 1st. So that's Saturday. If everything can go right, I'm going to probably open up my shop. I won't have very much stuff then, but I'm going to have an option for like a custom order. And I'm just trying to figure out what else I want to do, but it's just gonna take a little bit, but I plan to have more stuff on there. I was thinking of maybe selling these special wreaths that I have, usually around Halloween, so I might do that. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. But yeah, you guys, like, I felt like it was kind of a bum day, which I truly needed it, because this is the first day in a very long time where I'm not like, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Like, I feel like the last like 2 weeks I've had to just keep going, and I have not had a chance to just sit and relax. So I plan on sitting and relaxing tomorrow and sitting and relaxing Wednesday. Like, I'll get my stuff done. I gotta empty the dishwasher. I ran that last night, and then my dishes don't dry very well because the seal's so good that it doesn't dry. So I have to let it dry throughout the day. So I'll probably I always empty the dishwasher better in the morning, but we'll see how it goes. But other than that, Charlotte took my movies off the shelf, nothing new. But I feel like I'm getting stuff done. I have a bouncer that I've been trying to sell for a couple weeks. I might go drop that off at Once Upon a Child. I just want it out of here. I have not had one person take a bite on it online, so I'm like, I just want to get it out of here, but I don't want to leave the house, so I'll probably sell that later this week. But yeah, you guys, I'm just enjoying the week. I gotta work in the basement some more, but I feel much better when Graham's here with me when I do that. So I will see you guys early tomorrow. Thank you guys for the supportingness, all that jazz. But I'm ready to have a alone time again with myself, a much needed alone time, and work on my crafts. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.